everyone, this is Shraddha here from Creative Edges, and today I'm going to present my first TT project for tailor-made cards for you. So I made 3 cards and 1 tag, and this is the pop-up kind of card. It is Z-fold card. If you can see, it creates with Z-fold, and the second one we have is the napkin fold card. It opens like a napkin and closes like that. The next card, I personally call it as standing card because it stands like this. I'm going to show you like that, right? So I hope you will love it. Next is our mixed media tag. I hope you like it too. All these designs are from Harvest Fair from TAYLORMADECARDS4U, and you can get this design from their website. The link is given in the description, so please do check it out. It's very beautiful. So first card I'm going to make is Z-fold card. All the measurements of the cards are given on the screen. So I have taken the black cardstock and I'm going to fold it into half, as you can see, and I'm going to take the first part of it. I'm going to fold that too also in a half. To create the pop-up look, I need a strip. So I have taken the strip around 2 inches because our cardstock is somewhere 4 inches. So I'm going to take a strip and mark it into 2 inches. Now I'm going to fold the strip into half and then one side of it into half again. So I'm showing it to you again. I hope you will understand. It's the same process which we did for our first card, and now it will look like this after pasting. So it's time to decorate it a little bit. So I'm going to start taking my Harvest collection sheets and I'm going to paste it. All the measurements, as you can see, are given on the screen. Now I'm going to paste the strip, so I'm going to glue it from 2 sides. One is there on the card and second one the last part of the strip. So I'm going to paste it now so that it can adjust to this card in that way. So now you can see our base is almost ready, and here I need to have one more strips. Like you can put the two strips or 3 strips, even 4 strips. I'm going to put only 2 strips because I need that much only. So now it's time to decorate it. So let's get started. Now next is this card. It is a standing card. is also very easy to make. So I also need just this much, and I'm going to fold it half, and then the first part is also in the half. Our base is ready, and now just we have to decorate it in the way. So you can see I just take this beautiful sheet, and it's really beautiful. You should check out their website. You will get these kind of designs over there, and there are a lot of designs. I guess you should check out at least once. And this card is really looking beautiful to me, and I hope you're also enjoying this video. Next is our mixed media tag. For that I'm using this design, and it's really looking nice. Like, I love this one. So I'm going to distress it from the edges and directly gonna paste it over my black cardstock. After that I'm going to use my texture paste from Imix, and this stencils are from Fabrica di Caro. I'm going to apply it. I'm not covering whole tag with the texture. After that I'm using my Lindy spray, and I'm going to put few drops of it and let it flow. You can use the water as well if you want to flow it fast, but I'm not using water, I'm just doing as it is. After that I'm going to apply the coconut fiber over it. You can get it from Little Birdie in your Now I have taken my tag, it's from Harvest collection only. I'm pasting it with the help of double-sided tape. After that I'm placing my mulberry flower in the middle of it. Now it's done. If you want to leave it as it is, you can. And for the optional, I have put this string, jute string, inside that card, and it's gonna look lovely and another way, you know, presenting it or decorate it. So now it's really ready. So let's make our napkin fold card now. So now I have taken this 4 by 4 inches card, and I'm folding it into half, as you can see in the video. Just remember all the steps I'm going to do it. So now I'm going to fold it from the opposite side as well into the half, and I'm taking the one part of it, I'm going to fold it into the half, just like that. The way I'm doing it, just remember that. After that I'm going to do the same with the next part of it. After doing that too, I'm going to do from other side as well, as you can see. Guys, I'm going to come up with lots of videos like these, and I hope you are enjoying this one. So if you don't want to miss these kind of cards and these kind of videos with full explanation, so kindly subscribe my channel and also share with your friends who love to make crafts. They also can subscribe my channel, and if you like, please hit the like button and the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification as well. And do check out the TAYLORMADECARDS4U website, so that you can buy your own designs and you can make the cards like these with those designs as well. Let me show you the process again. It's very easy to understand. As you can see the video, you can understand how I fold this triangle from the middle to one side. I have folded it on the right side, as you can see, and the another side it would create by itself, and just push it from the upper side. And same you're going to do from all the corners. Once you do all these steps, it can create the square. Once you make the square, you can actually open it from middle like that. these squares are going to open just like that, and your napkin fold card is ready. Now you can decorate it if you want. You can put inside the picture. And I have this popcorn coupon from Harvest collection only. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you shouldn't miss the future videos, because I'm going to come with a lot of videos like that with tailor-made cards for you designs. And thank you for watching.